This is the final video to solve Geometry Dash MegaHack Stuck. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve Geometry Dash MegaHack Stuck, and I'm going to share them with you. The first method addresses potential corrupted game files. When these files become damaged, they can prevent the game from loading or running essential functions, leading to the stuck issue. By verifying and repairing these files, we ensure the game's integrity. The second method focuses on clearing the game's cache. Cache data, while intended to speed up loading times, can sometimes become outdated or corrupted, causing conflicts that freeze the game. A clean cache removes these problematic temporary files. The third method involves resetting game permissions. Sometimes, the game might not have the necessary access rights to operate correctly on your system, or previous permission settings might have become misconfigured, leading to operational failures like getting stuck. Resetting these permissions grants the game a fresh start with its required system access. The fourth method is to ensure the game and any related modification tools are updated to their latest versions. Outdated software often contains bugs or compatibility issues that are resolved in newer releases. Updates frequently patch the exact problems that cause these kinds of persistent errors, restoring normal functionality.
I really should've known.